Today we are making a soft, hearty bread with sunflower seeds. This version uses a little bit of whole wheat flour. Let's get started. Start with 328 grams of bread flour, 11 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 25 milliliters of honey, 300 milliliters of room temperature milk. Mix it all together. Now flour your workspace. Knead the dough until it feels smooth and elastic. This may take about 8 to 10 minutes by hand. Transfer the dough into a well-oiled bowl. Cover and let the dough rise until double in size about 1 hour. Flour your workspace again. Now divide it into 40 grams each. Now shape them into balls. If the surface is rough, fold the dough inwards towards the bottom. This keeps the top smooth and helps them with even rising. Place it thin side down on a baking tray and cover again. Cover and let it rise again for 1 hour. Take a baking pan and add a shallow layer of water with kitchen towel in it. Before baking, dip the top of each bun lightly into water and press them into a plate of sunflower seeds. This helps the seeds stick better. Before baking, place a baking pan with a cup of water onto the lowest rack of your oven. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees. When ready, bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Enjoy!